again with another video. Oh my god, that sounds different. I used to always say like with Shania. Oh wow. Ooh. But anywho, if you're new to the channel, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not new, hey family, welcome back. I'm back with another motherfucking video. I already know you saw that title and that thumbnail I'm doing for today's video. Why are you not getting over? Like, I let you over. Sorry, y'all. Anywho, so today it's gonna be, you know, a Sunday reset. So I got a lot of stuff on my to-do list. I'm gonna put it on a screen, but like right there. Wait, I can't even do it because I'm driving. I'm gonna put it right there so y'all know what I'm doing for today, because today is gonna be a lot that I'm gonna be doing. And like, yeah, so but I need to figure out how I'm gonna do my camera situation. Ooh, that sounds good. Cause like, I got a camera. Ooh, not the cops. Let me slow down. Oh, he pulled somebody over. Oh. Ooh. Anywho, that's what I was saying. But yeah, so I have like 2 camera mounts, and I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it in my camera. Like, I said when I put it in my camera, where I want to put it in my car, because how my car set up, I don't even know where to put it in, and I don't want to hold my camera or my phone when I record, because that's dangerous. That's really dangerous. Right now I'm about to go to my uncle's house and my aunt and see them. So yeah, so that's also on my agenda for today. But yeah, so y'all gotta be coming along with me on today's agenda. I haven't been on the camera for so long. I'm just so excited. Don't mind my hair, it's okay. I'm looking real rough right now, but it's okay.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we can't.
It could be everything she playing. It could be.
I just scary. Bunch of girls and me, you look like I.
Alright, y'all, we're home. So I'm finna show y'all my room. I was gonna show y'all that I changed my room around, but then I was just like, it was too much going on. I'm not fully done my room yet because I'm gonna paint it too. That's coming soon. So this is just a sneak peek. So let me show you. So my camera died when I was recording, so I don't even know what it got. So it is what it is. So we're gonna use my phone and finish what we are doing. So yeah, y'all just sit back, relax.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all that I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they growing when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you playing the deep and I'm the main one crying?
Make me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends are them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. Living my life in the margin, And that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just...
Alright, y'all, we're finally freaking done with my room. Oh my gosh. Like, it is 3:01 in the morning, and I finally just got done. And I hope I do good in this video. Y'all let me know if I did good or not, cause girl is tired, and I got a shower. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start talking and let y'all see the whole finished look. Mind y'all, I still have my trash right here. Don't mind that. And I gotta take that out when I wake up, because I ain't doing that now. I have my fan right here. I don't know where to put that at yet. Really don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the fuck up and let y'all see the finished look. This is the finished look. I don't know. Y'all probably didn't see my room before, but this room definitely did change. But it's not done yet. So I can still get in my closet, nightstand, bed, little area, tea area. Don't mind that. I gotta put that back in my bathroom. I didn't know where to put that at, because that's a drawing that I made. And yeah, and then you already know my mirror. And you already know where I do my makeup and stuff. And that's what I do my content and stuff. Got my stand. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And then here's my favorite part, ring light. And this whole set up, and then boom. All I gotta do is get a chair. I gotta put my chair in here. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. But yes, y'all, I love this freaking set up. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm done. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give me some more videos I want to see. And yeah, and if y'all already subscribed, thank you, family, for being here and with me and still watching, so subscribing to me. And yeah, this is gonna be the best motherfucking year 2020 fucking 5. Fucking I'm talking about fucking 5. But yeah, I'm done talking. What was that? Anyway, I love you, family. Peace and love. See y'all in the next video.